Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm so sorry that I've been gone for so long. I would say about a week I haven't posted a video, and that is because I was super busy for the holidays. It's a tradition in my family. We have like dinners back to back and stuff like that, so it was a very busy holiday. Had a great one. I hope you guys had a great one too. So today I'm going to be doing a video on how to make your press-on nails last 2 weeks or more. I have another video on the same topic and it was a different design, but I feel like I've learned a couple more tricks on how to make it last even longer. So if you guys will just stay tuned and let's get started. So first I'm going to first I'm just going to push my cuticles back with this cuticle pusher. Everything I use in this video, I did order the entire kit and the tools from Amazon. I'll leave the links down below in the description. So I like to push my cuticles back so that it can be even. Alright, so let's do it. All of my other cuticles look pretty good. Then I'm going to take this cuticle clipper and kind of trim my cuticles, the ones that need to be trimmed. Okay, my nails are in bad shape, I would say, because, let's be honest, I have not been taking care of them like I used to, but they're in pretty bad shape. So we're just going to give them a little bit of a break, you know? So I'm going to use that cuticle pusher on my other thumb. I have much looser skin on this thumb. Okay. So again, my thumb is the only one that needs to be trimmed. And let's just file down the nail bed just to give it a rough surface. Sorry if you see the red ink stains I have. I was messing with my printer. I bought a new printer and I got a little bit of ink on my hands, so don't mind that. And guys, I like to go ahead and file the little bit of nail that I have, you know, just to even it out. So now that we've filed the nail beds down, not too much, you don't want to file it down too much, just a little bit to give it that rough edge. I like to go ahead and, in my nail kit, go ahead and get my nails ready and put them out. So I know I don't have the numbers on here, but I already took them out the little tiny bags that they came in. But each nail has right at the very tip, I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, that's going to be impossible to see, but right at the tip it has which size it is. So this is a 0 and it goes 0 to 9. Okay, so 0 being the biggest, that's for the thumbs. And I'll go ahead and put that on here and measure it. So this one works perfectly for my thumb. So I'm going to put that out. Let's see if another 0 works for my other thumb. It's a little tighter. Let me see. Actually, it does work, so we're going to use that. So some people do like to design their nails while they're not connected. I think it's easier to design it, to paint it and design it while it's connected to my hand. So, because I like to, it's just the way that I hold my hand. It really works for me. So I'm going to connect it first. I'll be using the glue that comes with the kit. And again, I'll put that kit link from Amazon in the description. I'll be using the nail glue from Makartt. Okay, the adhesive expert. So it comes with like three or four of these in the kit. Alright, so try your best not to get glue like on your fingers. It makes it harder to use. So we're going to go ahead and apply that. Now this glue is super strong I've tested it. I've used it for a while. Very strong. Okay, so that's our thumb. I'm gonna go ahead and apply that. And what you want to do is press it all the way down and hold it for 5 seconds. And make sure there's no air bubbles in there, because that makes it it makes it easier to pop off. So make sure there's no air bubbles in there. And holding it down a little longer can't hurt, right? So that is a super strong fit. You can tell. All right, next one. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply these, all of them, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I attached all of them. They're very strong. And now we're going to trim them. You can trim them whichever size you prefer. I got these cutters also from Amazon. Very cheap. I'll leave the link for that one below. So I like to trim mine pretty, not too short. I would say medium length, because I like to be able to still do things. Because I actually I have to pick things up, you know what I mean? I do laundry and stuff like that. So I'm just going to do it pretty short. That's perfect for me. Okay, so there you have it. And then I'll go ahead and file them to my liking. Now these nails already come coffin. If that's my favorite, I love the coffin look, so you can always cut them or trim them down to whatever shape you want them to look, but they already are coffin. So I'm just gonna go ahead and file these down and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so now that they're, what is it called? Now that I've trimmed them, I've trimmed the nails, and I've shaped them, I've filed them down to the actual coffin, a better coffin shape that I like, that I'm comfortable with. Alright, so now let's apply the paint. Today's going to be a very simple look. I know I usually bedazzle them and make them look super cute, but I think I'm going to just stick with a simple look and maybe an accent nail, you know? These Sally Henson, I ordered this Sally Henson nail polish, a box of, I believe, 10 of them from Amazon. I'll send the link for that too. Okay. So I just like to wash my hands to really get the flurries away, which can mess up the polish, which can mess up really applying the polish. I'm going to try a different color with an accent nail. This color is the Al Natural Sally Henson. I've used it before and I loved it. Now, I don't know which one I want as the accent nail, so I'm just going to paint the other side. I'm not that great. I've always said it in my videos that I'm not that great using my left hand to paint my nails, so bear with me. Now we're going to do one accent now. I'm thinking my ring finger is what I'm going to use. We're going to do. So let's just shake this up. This one is called the Glitty Party. Same Sally Henson brand. Opening things is very hard after you just have done, your nails are just freshly done. Alright, so that ring finger, I'm gonna go ahead and do accent. Ooh, it's like metallic glitter. It's really pretty, right? I think that's so pretty. Alright. Let's get the other side. So pretty. Alrighty. Remembering the instructions on how to really file your nail bed before really gives it that raggedy, rough bed. And it helps, for me, it helps the nails stay on longer. And using the glue that I use. Once again, you can purchase that kit from Amazon. I'll leave the descriptions down beneath, and I'll leave the link down below in the description. Make sure you go check that out if you really want to have these last longer, because I love my nails. I just like it. It's, for me, it's cheaper, healthier, and quicker, you know, especially if you're doing it yourself. All right, guys. So make sure you check out the other. Oops, I didn't do anything. The other video. Alright guys, so don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the notification bell so that you never miss an upload. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!